you want to remove your clutch cover and prep your clutches and clean them up, get ready for a new belt installation. Biggest thing you want to do first off is blow the clutches out with compressed air just to get rid of all loose debris and any loose dirt or sand that might have collected inside the clutch box upon usage. So you want to do a very thorough check over of your primary and secondary clutches. You want to make sure that you have no abnormal grease buildup, no mud, dirt, oil, any deep grooving. And you also want to do a light resurfacing of the primary sheaves, both the fixed and the movable sheaves, with just a Scotch-Brite pad and some lacquer thinner. Just go over it, make sure it's nice and clean, get any rust off, any kind of water spots you have, make sure that it's going to be ready to go for your new belt.